everyone, this is Jason from Dawn of the Devs with another daily code challenge for you, and let's get it on. This one says, write a function which, given a list of strings, determines if the list contains any string which is repeated at least once. Decide what the function should return. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have mine return true or false if it has something that's repeated. On line 8, I've got an example. We've got an array that says hello, bye, and bye. Because there's two instances of bye in this array, we're going to return true. So let's go ahead and create a function called isRepeated. It takes a list of strings, and I think I'm going to have it return a variable called result that will be set to false by default, and otherwise if we find something we'll have it return true. And the way I want to go about this is I want to set up an object and kind of use an object as like a dictionary, we'll see how that works out. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to create another variable, call it map. I'm just going to have it set up as an empty object, and then I'm going to say for let I equal 0 while I is less than list.length I plus plus. And what I want to do here is for every position in the list, I want to add that string to my map object, and but I also want to determine ahead of time if that thing already exists on my object, then I know I have a match and I should just return true right away. So let's set that up. I'm going to say if map, and what I'll do here is list I equals undefined. So if it's undefined, it means it doesn't exist in my object. So I'm going to do this map list I equals, I'm just going to set it to a value 1. If it equals undefined, it doesn't exist, we're going to add it. Otherwise, return true. We'll just get out of that loop and return true automatically because we know we got a match. So let's set up a test thing here. So we're going to do console log is repeated, and I will give it hello, bye, bye. And since it has repeated strings, we know that should return true. Let's do another one just to test the other way around. We'll have this one just have two strings in it, hello and bye. That one should be false. So when we run this thing, the first result should be true, the second one should be false, and I think we're good to go. Let's give it a run and see if it works. Okay, so the first one returns true. You guys see that there? Second one returns false. Awesome. So it looks like it works. Thanks for joining me for another daily code challenge, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.